Hi, welcome back to Excel Passion again. Today we will see Stock tab updates Forex data and to create a chart from data obtained. First type down the currency pairs and then select all of them. When you have selected, click on Stock button under Data tab on Excel sheet. As you click the Stock button, the selected data shall be converted into Forex pairs that is listed in Exchange. As they are converted, click on the small icon besides each to get the stock-specific data to be updated on the right-hand side of the stock. Have a look to see how it works. Required data are being selected one after the other. Finally, we would select the ticker symbol. This ticker symbol is used to extract data from web to plot chart of daily data. When done, we convert the entire data into a table. Now, see, we are creating a list to select the ticker symbol. All the symbols are listed as individual data into the list. Steps are, click Data Validation button, and select List from menu, and select the ticker symbols. Chart needs to have more days instead of having only one stick. So, we create the period of 60 days. How do we do it? Create a data in cell for today's date. And create another data in cell for date in the past. That means, how many days from current date. We have used 60 days for instance, which means 2 months.
While doing it, we have edited the font size to 9 and also, we are changing the date format as well.
Now, we are moving to Stock History function. We have 2 specific videos for Stock History function in this channel. The link for both videos are pasted below in the description. For more detailed information, check those videos. They are very useful. Stock History function have listed the daily data of selected stock. Now, selecting all the data and then creating a chart using them. There is an easy way to look and compare the most suitable chart in a small window. That is, Quick Analysis tool. See how it works. As the data is selected, a small icon appears. Click on the icon to get the pop-up screen. From the pop-up screen, we can select any data to be displayed on the page. The chart is plotted. Adding a simple moving average to it in red color. As this video is only for stock data, and so, please refer to the link on the description to view the video on stock history. Now, check the interesting part. As the stock name in the list is changed, the data and the graph changes instantly. All the stocks are working the same way. Hope you liked this video. Click on like. Comment on this video. Subscribe to this channel for more updated videos to go directly to your inbox. See you in next video.